brilliant and interesting experience. Small group. Recipes that can be recreated at home without needing too much equipment. Friendly and fun staff. The whole experience was fantastic and we cannot recommend enough. Thank you. Never thought the cooking class was interesting. First time joined the class in Kathmandu and I just love their dhalbhat. Overall a great experience and thanks to Neelam for the session. Pick-up transfer also smooth. Since I can't help but take cooking classes every time I go to Thailand, Nepalese cuisine seems to be interesting too. I didn't expect that I was the only student today. The teachers are 4 sisters. It's a bit stressful but they are very nice. The course is very serious. It starts with teaching spices and then there will be tests on which spices to add first for each dish. Because I had already eaten beef fried dumplings last night, I chose chocolate steamed dumplings. Great, their dumplings are called momos. So cute, interesting experience recommended. The host is very knowledgeable and the trip to market is fun. We did 3-course hands-on, the pudding was done by the instructor. Highly recommended. Food was delicious and the cooking process with staff was superb. Never imagined I could make yummy food with spices and got to know better how to use them. Thank you. The class was taught by me alone with 2 staff members. We went to a nearby greengrocer and spice shop to experience shopping. The cooking class was also fun because we made each dish together. The staff were very kind and it was a fun and good memory. A brief introduction to vegetables and spices before class is very helpful for those who really want to buy replicas for home. The pace of the class is very good. You can eat while doing it, and you can immediately experience the taste of freshly made food. The staff are friendly and it is meaningful to join an activity which also dedicated to a good cause for helping a charity. However, be aware that if you are with other groups, you will not able to simply choose to do the menu you want, but need to compromise with other groups' options. Also, that would be nice if the staff can leave participants some privacy when asking participants to fill the feedback form, instead of starring on what every participant writes, if the organizer intended to get the real feedback. This is a very good experience in Nepal. This cooking class was my favorite part of the trip. Everything was well organized, starting from the setup, step-by-step explanation, and skills taught during the class. I was also happy with the outcome of the menu we cooked. Great experience on cooking Nepalese dishes starting from market visit to preparation till finishing. Nice staff with patient,